Nicole Scott here from Mobile Geeks, and today I'm going to be showing you a few tips and tricks about the Huawei Mate 8. Let's start from the lock screen. Pull up for a quick launch bar. Want to take a screenshot? Just knock twice. Searching for an app? Pull down and search your phone for anything. Smart Assistant is packed with useful tricks like customizing your navigation bar with the notification bar drop-down button. You can add in a floating dock, and motion control adds in tons of small customization to make the phone responsive to your exact needs. Lowering the volume when you pick up your phone is one of my favorites. One-handed UI can be launched by simply swiping across the navigation bar. Glove mode increases the display sensitivity, and it actually works. Looking to customize your home screen? Hold down anywhere for run-of-the-mill customizations, hit the More settings to enable a home screen loop. You can also find Shake to line up your apps. Another interesting feature, since this is a 6-inch display, is the ability to divide it. Just knock the screen and draw a line, and then you can choose to run 2 different apps. Don't forget to customize your camera. Head into the settings. Touch to Capture lets you use the fingerprint sensor to take photos. Customize your volume button, or what happens when you press the shutter. Double pressing the volume key can also open your camera. And for those of you obsessed with getting your images just how you like them, head into Image Adjustment and you can change the exposure, saturation, contrast, and brightness. To help with battery life, head into Advanced Settings, Battery Manager, and check out what apps are protected, and adjust accordingly. And if all else fails and you're not happy with the Huawei launcher, that's the beauty of Android. Head into Apps, Default App Settings, Launcher, and select the one that you've downloaded from Google Play. So that was just a few tips and tricks for the Mate 8. If you have a few that I didn't mention, put them in the comments below so we can kind of create a thread of knowledge around Emotion UI. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so. And while you're at it, why don't you like this video? I'm your host, Nicole Scott for Mobile Geeks.